Opening interview. Have you been waiting long? How did you come here? Did you get any difficulty in finding our office address? How was the travel from your house to our office? What time did you leave home this morning? Did you read a newspaper before leaving home? How did you feel when you received the reply to your application letter? How was the weather when you left home this morning?
I need somebody.
Personal information and family background. Could you tell me when and where you were born? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Do you still live with your parents? What does your father do? How long have you been living in the city? Do you live in a boarding house? What child are you in your family? Do your brother and sister work? Are you married? How many children have you got? Your son when you work? Educational background. Could tell me about your educational background? When did you graduate from senior high school? Having passed from senior high school, did you directly continue to a university? What university did you graduate from? What were you majoring in? May I know what the title of your final project is? Can you tell me the reason why you got the title? How long did you finish your final project? Having passed from senior high school, you decided not to continue to a university. Why? After you have got a job, do you plan to continue your study to a university? What do you do to improve your knowledge? Do you think that the knowledge you got when you were studying could help you in your job? What was your favorite subject when you were studying in senior high school? What subject did you dislike most? What courses did you use to take? Your English is good enough. How long did you study English? And how did you practice your English? Question for appointment. You apply for the post of appointment. Why are you interested to be a foreman? What subject did you study when you took mining engineering major? How many semesters did you study about blasting? Can you tell me one of the main duties of a field supervisor? What do you know about surface mining? What kinds of blasting method do you know? You said you used to take a computer course. What program are you familiar with? Have you got an experience in handling workers in the field? Can you tell me the main parts of heavy equipment? Can you tell me the characteristics of a good mining? What are the main parts of a mine? What is the difference between quarry and high wall method? Why punctuality is so important for a foreman when he is achieving a target? Core problem. Did you used to apply for job in this company before? Why are you interested in joining our company? Do you know anybody in our company? Could you tell me what company did you used to work for? Why did you quit your job from Peta Adaro? Did you quit your job because you were not satisfied with the company's policy? When you worked for Petadis, what was your responsibility? Did you often feel dispersed when you worked for Petadis? Did you feel disappointed when you got an extra job from your employer? If we offer you a job, are you prepared to be stationed at one of our branch office? In most companies, their employees work 5 days a week, but here they work 6 days. Are you prepared to work 6 days like them? As an industrial company, the company sometimes has to chase the production target. So, the employees sometimes have to work overtime on Saturday. Are you ready? If you are accepted to work for this company, how long do you plan to work here? Applicant's current occupation. You have a good position in PT Adaro. Why do you want to quit your present job? As far as I know, PT Dis is a good company, but why do you suddenly want to quit your job from this company? Why do you dislike your present office? Do you often suggest something to your superior or to your employer? How was your employer reaction when you suggested something? How did you get your current position? Did you have any connection in the company? In your previous job, what was the most impressive thing you used to experience? Health matters. What do you do to keep your health? What sport do you like best? What sport do you practice to keep your health? Did you used to suffer from a contagious disease? Did you used to be hospitalized? Did you used to have a serious problem with your health? Are you a heavy smoker? Did you used to get an accident?
No matter what.
Hobbies and interests. Could you tell me what your hobbies are? What do you do in your spare time? What kind of sport do you practice? Why are you interested in this kind of sport? What about reading? Do you like reading? If you read a magazine or a newspaper, what article do you like best? Do you subscribe to Kompas newspaper? Or you buy the regularly? What benefit could you derive from reading a newspaper? Why do you prefer swimming to running in the morning? Other questions. In making a decision, are you often influenced by somebody else? Before making a decision, what do you usually consider? When you work for a company, what is more important for you? Higher salary or better position? Do you always discuss your plan with your parent or your husband? How much you ask for your commencing salary? Why do you ask for such a high amount? Interviews questions. You have mentioned about the working day yet? May I know the working day in this company? Does the company have a certain policy about employees' promotion? Is the salary increased based on the length of the service or the performance of the employee? Will the company provide spell job training for the new employees? What about annual leave? How many days does each employee get it? If a new employee stationed at a branch office, is there any possibilities for him or her to be stationed at the head office? May I know more specifically the duties or the responsibilities of a new secretary here? If you don't mind, after how many days can I know the result of this interview? In most foreign companies, they ensure their employees. What about this company? Do you do the same thing? Is there any probationary period for the new employees?